All right, so we're at Edgewater, Tower 3, Unit 111, and all that racket is coming from that space underneath the deck. I don't know what they're hammering there, but here's the balcony here. There's a spa right beneath, pool over there, and your view of the Gulf. Right there is the primary bedroom with a door that leads to the balcony. We'll start this way. The bathroom here. Looks like there's two full-size beds in the bedroom that's closest to the front door. This is a really good sized room. Closet. There's the front door, owner's closet. And look at the AC closet here. Usually laundry, yep.
The other thing is it's really not good privacy on this balcony.
Here's the kitchen. Dishwasher. And if this was a drop ceiling, looks like they put drywall in where the T-bar used to be. Got another little pantry here off the kitchen, and let's go check out the primary bedroom before we wrap this up. There's the water damage doors that need to be replaced. And that's it. All right, you guys, catch you on the next one.